In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a voice message from Messenger on your PC or laptop. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other modern browser you like using. In the address bar at the top, type in the Messenger website address and sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Messenger, not a mobile or simplified view, so that all the options are available. Once you're inside Messenger, look for the conversation that contains the voice message you want to download. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your recent chats. Click on the correct conversation to open it in the main window. Take a moment to scroll through the messages until you find the exact voice recording you want to save. When you've found the voice message, hover your mouse over it. On most browsers, you'll see some small icons appear near the message. If you can play the voice message directly, click the play button once, just to confirm it's the correct audio. It's important to double-check this so you don't end up downloading the wrong clip. Now, move your mouse over the audio playback area. Right-click on the voice message or on the small audio player bar. A menu should pop up with several options. Depending on your browser, you'll typically see something like Save Audio As or Save Video As. Select that option. A file window will open, allowing you to choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Pick a folder that you'll remember later, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated folder for Messenger recordings. You can also rename the file to something more descriptive, like Meeting Notes Voice Message or Birthday Greeting, so it's easier to identify in the future. Once you're happy with the file name and location, click Save. After the download finishes, open the folder where you saved the file and double-click it to play it back. It should open in your default media player, and you can now listen to it offline, back it up, or move it to another device whenever you like. That's all you need to do to download a voice message from Messenger on your PC or laptop.